Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how to install Red Hat in our VirtualBox. Okay, just click on new, type the name Red Hat or whatever the name that you want to keep to your virtual machine. Okay, so VM folder, select the VM folder where all the things are going to get downloaded. Okay, so I'm just going for the volume G, create new folder, and I have one, so I'm just going to select the folder so that whatever the things which it has is going to download in that folder. Okay, so select the ISO image, go click on other, and just going to search for it. So here it is, RHEL 10. Okay, click on open. So fine, so I'm just going to click on finish. So here, go for settings. Here we have to do an important configuration. Go for the system, and here you could see the pointing device as PS2 mouse, right? So what you have to do is click on here and select USB tablet. If you haven't selected this, it's going to make more issues with your mouse. Okay, click on USB tablet and just check for the network, and my preference is going for the bridge adapter, so you can keep it as NAT. That's completely your wish, and there is a difference between NAT and bridge adapter. We'll see that in next videos. So as of now, we'll just keep it for the bridge adapter. Okay, let it be allow all so that my traffic goes to all. Okay, click on OK and click on start. So just ignore this warning. That's a different thing which I have done. Okay, you won't get this probably. Click on install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10. So now we need to select our language, English. Okay, click on continue. So here it's just going for installation destination. Just recheck it, click on done. Okay, so go for Red Hat, root account, enable root account, give root password. I'm just giving root, allow root SSH to log in with the password. So done. So if you wanted to create a user, that's completely on your basis. So let it be Red Hat. So it's automatically filled the username. Password is the same, Red Hat, but it's a really bad practice. You can create the strength password. So what you have to do now is just click on connect to Red Hat. So here we are using the same thing which while we downloaded that ISO file, we have logged in, created our login credentials over there, right? So we're using the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck this. I don't want it to make it so this thing. I'm just going to register it. So it is registered. Okay, click on done. So software selection is in processing. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so finally we just got this. So let me just leave it as default. Okay, so click on done and let's begin our installation. So it's gonna take a long time, so without wasting time, I'm just going to fast forward it. So let's restart. Click on reboot system. Okay, so finally we have installed Red Hat in our VirtualBox. So let's click on Red Hat and give the password which you have given when you created this VM. So yes, welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.0. Oh, I'm gonna give skip tour, and yes, we are inside the Red Hat. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.